Good morning students, you all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are practiced the previous class what I have given, isn't it? Shall we start the today's class students? Let's write the exercise 6.1 ninth question first subdivision. Okay, there are two subdivisions. Let us do the first subdivision. What is the first one now? If sin theta plus cos theta equal to p and secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to q, then prove that q into p square minus 1 equal to 2p. Okay, so given first condition is sin theta plus cos theta equal to p. Let us take that condition. We have to prove that q into p square minus 1 equal to 2p. So let us square this value. P value is there, we need p square. Okay, so squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, what we get, let's square it. So it can be right sin theta plus cos theta the whole square is equal to right side p square. Okay, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so that let's write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta equal to right side p square. Okay, now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So in place of sin square theta plus cos square theta we can use 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, equal to p square. From here this 1 let's bring right side. Okay, so 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta equal to p square minus 1. P square minus 1. Let us take it is equation number 1. Okay, what we have to prove? To prove q into p square minus 1 equal to 2p. So let's write that. To prove q into p square minus 1 equal to 2p. Okay, here one more condition is given. One more condition is given. Also given secant theta, this condition, secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to q. Let's write this condition. Okay, secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to q. Okay, so what is secant theta formula? Do you remember? 1 by cos theta plus what is cosecant theta formula? 1 by sin theta equal to q. Let's take the LCM here. What is the LCM? Cos theta sin theta. So what is the numerator here? There is no common, so cross multiplication. 1 into sin theta is sin theta plus 1 into cos theta is cos theta, which is equal to q. Equation number 2. So we have to prove what is LHS? Q into p square minus 1, is it? So LHS equal to q into p square minus 1, which is equal to what is the q value? Sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta sin theta. Let's write that. Okay, so sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta. That is in place of q we have written q value. Then p square is there. There is a bracket and p square. What is p square minus 1? P square minus 1 value we have. P square minus 1 is from 1 we have 2 sin theta cos theta. So in place of p square minus 1 we can give 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta. How it is? From 1 and 2. Okay. Side you can write from the equations 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, side you can write. Now here cos theta can be cancelled. Sin theta can be cancelled. Remaining we have this 2 and this 2 terms. There is in between plus. So it can be write 2 into, here 2 terms are there. So let's use the bracket. Sin theta plus cos theta. What is it? Sin theta plus cos theta. Given, what is given? See the first given condition, sin theta plus cos theta equal to p, is it? So we have to prove q into p square minus 1 is equal to 2p, is it? So 2 into p value is sin theta plus cos theta. So it can be write 2 into p. Okay, side you have to write given sin theta plus cos theta equal to p. Plus cos theta equal to p. Understood, students? So which is equal to RHS? Which is equal to RHS? Hence proved. Understood, students? Next, let's do the second subdivision. If sin theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to cos square theta, then prove that cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. Okay. So what is the given condition of sin theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to cos square theta? Let us take that condition. Given sin theta into 1 plus sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Sorry, here 1 plus sin square theta. Okay, change the question. Sin square theta. So here also sin square theta equal to cos square theta. Now sin theta into 1 plus, what is sin square theta formula can be write 1 minus cos square theta. We have sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, isn't it? Using that, sin square theta can be write 1 minus cos square theta is equal to this one, same as it is, right? Cos square theta. Now sin theta into, here 1 plus 1, 2 minus cos square theta is equal to cos square theta. Let's square on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get, what we get? Sin theta, when we are squaring, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Sin square theta. Here 2 term is there, so directly cannot write. So 2 minus cos square theta the whole square is equal to, here when we are squaring, cos square theta into cos square theta is cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta. That is sin square theta into, it is in the form of a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that is 2 square minus 2ab, that is 2 into, what is a? A is 2. What is b? Cos power 2 theta, that is cos square theta. Cos square theta plus a square minus 2ab term over 2ab plus b square, that is cos square theta the whole square, means cos square theta into cos square theta is cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta is equal to, right side cos power 4 theta. Here close this bracket. Right side cos power 4 theta. That is sin square theta into simplify. 2 square is 4 minus get 2 into 2 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Now the sin square theta can be write 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, everything here, every term is in the cos ratio. So let's change this sin term into cos. So we can use the formula sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta into 4 minus 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Now this 2 term into this 3 term we have to multiply. That is, first this 1 into this 3 terms, then this cos square theta into this 3 terms. Okay, let's multiply. So 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into minus 4 cos square theta is minus 4 cos square theta. 1 into, there is plus, no? So plus 1 into cos power 4 theta is cos power 4 theta. Then minus cos square theta into this 3 terms. Okay. So 4 into minus cos square theta can be write minus 4 cos square theta. Next, minus into this minus term. So minus into minus plus 4 cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta into cos square theta is cos power 4 theta. Okay, so 4 is there, no? 4 cos power 4 theta. Then here plus, here minus. So plus into minus, minus. Cos square theta into cos power 4 theta. So power should be added. Okay, a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So here cos square theta into cos power 4 theta becomes cos power 6 theta is equal to RHS side we have cos power 4 theta. Here cos power 4 theta, right side cos power 4 theta can be cancelled. Remaining this 4 only number term keep it here, remaining everything take it into RHS side. So 4 is equal to this term, this term, this term and this term. Let's take to right side or RHS side. So this minus term become plus. So 4 cos square theta, this term and this term cancelled. So next term is minus 4 cos square. This minus term we are going to take right side. So this minus term become plus term. Cos square theta. Then this term plus we are taking to right side. So it become minus 4 cos power 4 theta. This minus term we are taking to right side. So it become plus cos power 6 theta. Did you understand? This 4 alone we are keeping LHS. Remaining all the terms we are taking right side. So this minus term become plus. This minus term also become plus. This plus term become minus. This minus term become plus term. Understood, students? Now here these 2 terms can be added. Okay, like terms can be added. So 4 is equal to 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos square theta is 8 cos square theta. Okay. If we have doubt, this cos square theta commonly take it out, then add the numbers 4 plus 4. Okay, like that you can add 8 cos square theta. So minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Okay, so orderly let's write. What is the given question? Cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. Okay, so let's add, let's change the sides. This three terms let's write here. RHS terms let's write here, and LHS terms let's write here. So how can we write orderly as it is given question order? Shall we write first cos power 6 theta, cos power 6 theta, next term cos power 4, so minus 4 cos power 4 theta, next this term plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. Here both the sides we interchanged, so here sign no need to change. Understood students? Hence proved. Okay, hence proved. Next let's write the question number 10. What is the question number 10 now? If cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by a, then prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. Okay, so the solution given, first condition let us take cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by a. Okay, so let us cross multiply here. A into cos theta, a into cos theta equal to 1 into 1 plus sin theta is 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta. From here a value let's write. Okay, a is equal to 1 plus sin theta, this cos theta will come in the division by cos theta. Okay, let us square on both sides. We need here a square minus 1, so let us square it. Squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, we get a square equal to a, when we are squaring a into a square equal to, here also numerator as well as denominator we have to square, so it can be write 1 plus sin theta the whole square by denominator cos square theta, cos square theta. Now 1 plus sin theta the whole square can be write 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, two terms. Okay, so a square equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by cos square theta. Here numerator is in the sin ratio, no? So denominator also let us change it into sin ratio. So for that cos square theta can be used the formula 1 minus sin square theta, that is equal to 1 plus numerator as it is, right, 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by denominator 1 can be write 1 square. Okay, 1 square minus sin square theta, which is equal to 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, numerator as it is, right, denominator divided by 1 square minus sin square theta, that is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Let's use this condition. Okay, let's use this formula. So how can we write a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So here a is 1, b is sin theta. So a plus b into a minus b is 1 minus sin theta. Here 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin, like terms can be cancelled up and down. Remaining, let's write which is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. That is a square equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Let us take it as equation number 1. What we have to prove given? To prove, what we have to prove? A square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. Equal to sin theta. What is the LHS side here? LHS is equal to a square minus 1 by a square plus 1. Okay, a square value is there is which is equal to, in place of a square, we can use this 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. It is a square value. Then minus 1 is there. Minus 1 divided by, denominator also a square plus 1. So 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1. Did you understand this one? A square minus 1 by a square value, this one, plus 1. Now take the LCM of numerator as well as denominator terms. First let us do the numerator. What is the LCM of the numerator? No, 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. So what is the numerator here? 1 plus sin theta minus 1 into this both the term, LCM. Okay, minus 1 into this both the term. Here 2 term is there, so we have to use the bracket. Okay, 1 into 1 minus sin theta. The same way denominator terms we have to do. That is divided by, here also LCM is 1 minus sin theta. Down we have to write. So numerator, first term 1 plus sin theta, plus is there. Now 1 into this LCM term. 1 into LCM. So 1 into 1 minus sin theta. Close the bracket. Now which is equal to, now this, see this numerator alone. 1 plus sin theta with this minus 1, both the term multiply. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus 1 into sin theta is sin theta, divided by this denominator as it is, right? 1 minus sin theta. Now come to this denominator term. Okay, divided by, as it is, right, 1 plus sin theta. Now with this 1, both the term want to multiply. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus sin theta is minus sin theta, divided by this denominator terms as it is, right, 1 minus sin theta. Now come to this first numerator terms. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 minus 1 can be cancelled. Remaining we have sin theta plus sin theta, 2 sin theta, divided by this denominator 1 minus sin theta, divided by, now see here, this terms, plus sin theta minus sin theta can be cancelled. Remaining 1 plus 1, 2 by 1 minus sin theta. 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta by 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Let us change this denominator into this denominator division into multiplication. So this denominator both the term reciprocally can write. Okay, let's write, that is 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into this term reciprocally 1 minus sin theta by 2. Here 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta can be cancelled. Remaining this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. Remaining we have sin theta. Remaining we have sin theta. What we have to prove? To prove a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. So which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, understood students? Now let's write the example 6.10. Okay, unknowingly after the example 6.9 I did the 6.11. We left unknowingly, I left the 6.10. Okay, let's do that. Write the question, example 6.10. Prove that sin A by 1 plus cos A plus sin A by 1 minus cos A equal to 2 cosecant A. So LHS said, let's write sin A by 1 plus cos A plus sin A by 1 minus cos A. Okay, here let's take the LCM. What is the LCM? So multiplication of both the terms. So 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. There is no common, so numerator can be cross multiplied. Sin A into 1 minus cos A, sin A into 1 minus cos A plus sin A into 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, which is equal to, now let's multiply sin A into 1, sin A, then sin A into minus cos A, that is minus sin A cos A, plus is there, here also sin A into 1 plus sin A into cos A, sin A into 1 is sin A plus sin A into cos A, cos A divided by, here it is A plus B into A minus B, is it? So A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So 1 square minus cos square A. If we need, side you write and give A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square, which is equal to, now minus sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, like terms, plus and minus term, 1 minus 1 is 0, is it? Like that, sin A cos A minus sin A cos A is 0, can be cancelled. Remaining we have sin A plus sin A, that is 2 sin A, 2 sin A divided by 1 square can write 1 minus cos square A, which is equal to 2 sin A by 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. So here 1 sin A term and 1 sin A term can be cancelled. Remaining 2 by sin A, 2 by sin A, which can be write 2 into 1 by sin A, 2 into 1 by sin A, which is equal to 2 into, what is 1 by sin theta? Cosecant theta. So 1 by sin A can be write cosecant A, cosecant A. So what is the RHS? 2 into cosecant A, okay, which is equal to RHS, hence proved, hence proved. Understood, students? So 6.1 exercise we completed. Next topic is here heights and distances. Okay. So in this section we will see how trigonometry is used for finding the heights and distances of various objects without actually measuring them. Okay, without actually measuring them, using trigonometric ratios, how can we find out the heights and distances? For example, height of a tower, mountain, building or tree, distance of a ship from a lighthouse, width of a river, etc., etc. Okay, this the process of finding heights and distances is the best example of applying trigonometry in real life. Okay, so here, before studying methods to find heights and distances, we should understand some basic definitions. The definitions: line of sight, angle of elevation, angle of depression. These are the definitions you should know. Then only we can do the following sums. So the definitions I will explain in the next class. What are the homeworks now? Today you have to practice the today's classes properly, as well as you have to learn the formulas, all the formulas properly. Which are the formulas I have given when we start the trigonometry lesson. In this trigonometry lesson, which are the formulas I have given, every formulas you have to study thoroughly. Okay, so we can meet in the next class. Thank you, students.